What's going on, YouTube? Back again today with another good crisp mint video. Today we're going to be going to Z1 again. Oops, I opened my trunk on accident. But we'll be going to Z1 again to go ahead and purchase my Plenum spacer as well as my retrofitted 350Z buttons. For most of you guys that know or don't know, the base model 350Z does not come with buttons on them like the Infinities and some of the touring models. So if I'm going to open the car right now, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I'm talking about. So most G's, all G's actually have the cruise control buttons and volume controls over there. And in order for me to, you know, finish off my tune and be able to control my tune with the maps that it has and all the goodies, I'll need those buttons there to complement them by activating certain things. And without them, I can't really use my tune to the full capacity that it can be. So I'm going to go ahead and go buy those retrofitted buttons so I can install them, because they're pretty much plug and play. The base model Z's have all the plugins at the bottom of this thing here, so you just have to plug and play, remove these old plastic cappers, and it should work. Also, I don't know why, but every time I wash my car, I just believe that insects just decide that it's okay to just poop every single place it can. I don't look at this, guys. That's not even cool. On a side note, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe for more of my content. You can see all my other videos that I have now, and I have some other helpful things on 350Zs as well as other cars. And if you enjoy this video at the end, make sure you go ahead and hit that big likes button. Helps me out, helps you out, so you can see more content. And press notifications for me. Press notifications, you'll see the next time I post as soon as it gets uploaded. So let's go ahead, stop talking, get today started. First we gotta go get Rotimi. I'm thinking about going to Walmart to buy me another auxiliary port for my microphone, because this one's really long and comes out and it's just in the way. So that, gas, Rotimi. Alright, so went ahead and got Rotimi, so we're about to go head out. Got an hour drive ahead of us, and we'll see you guys at Z1. Alright, we are here at Z1. About to go ahead and pick up these parts, you know, and that is my favorite Z and favorite Z bumper. What do you guys think? Alright, leaving Z1, getting in the car. Got the stuff already, and you guys will see it when we get back. But yeah. So first step to getting off the Plenum, I forgot that's where we're starting off at. So we're going to be taking off the Plenum to put the Plenum spacer. You're going to want to remove your disconnect your intake. I had a cover on mine, so I had to take off the cover and the strut brace here. You're gonna have to do that as well. And we're gonna be taking off these 6 bolts up top, and there'll be these bolts right here to take off as well. I don't think I'll need to be taking off that close, so we won't be doing that. And we'll just get to it. Next, after we finish this install, we'll go to the steering wheel buttons. Now, before we start again, put on the Plenum spacer, as you can see here. And we're gonna put on bolts. Now it has a set of instructions that you see here. Now we're gonna be putting on new extended bolts to compensate for the thread pattern loss on using the Plenum spacer with the regular Plenum. So you're gonna use these long bolts ahead with these sealed washers. Then it's gonna go on the top, number 1 through 6 here, 1 through 6. Then on these bolts here, you'll use the factory bolts that went on 1 through 6 to compensate for the height difference, and then you'll use washers there over here, the same washers over here. So after that, you'll use these new small bolts that will completely and entirely replace those bolts that you had for the sides of the entire car, and you'll use this washer here. Then they gave us these washer bolts that we were looking at right here for the strut tower brace. So I'm gonna go ahead and install them and tell you how everything goes. Alright, it's gonna be the first startup. See what happens. I don't know how it goes. We still have to do the steering wheel modification. Let's go ahead and get the car. Let's roll. Let's try it. I'm scared. I'm honestly scared. We have a startup. Normal. Check engine came off. That's pretty cool. That came right back on. Light gang. Alright guys, next for the steering wheel button install, you're going to want to, for one, take apart your steering wheel. But first thing first, safety precautions, make sure you unplug your battery. You do not want this airbag to deploy in front of your face for no reason. It's just gonna be a pain. You're gonna hurt yourself. It's gonna just unplug your guy's battery. Next, from where I believe, since this is my first time doing this, we're going to start by taking this out with a flathead, which where the screws would be. I believe it might be like one of the T-series patterns. I don't know yet. We'll find out, and I'll let you know as we go along, since this will be my first time doing this. But they're on both sides, one on the right side and one, if you guys can see it, right there on the left. So we'll go ahead and get that stuff done, and I'll let you know how it goes. So guys, pretty much after you get these 2 bolts out that are right here, located right here, be very careful. They can get easily stripped, so put a lot of downforce pressure and slowly turn. Don't pull to an angle. If you pull to an angle, it's going to strip. Once you get those out, you push on this, your airbag will come out, and now you're going to want to remove these. And there's going to be these 2 black pieces. They're the locking pins for them. A lot of people say use a flathead screwdriver, which is probably going to damage it, but you're going to use this right here, and you're going to pull on it until it comes up like this. Do the same on this side, and they'll come up, and all you have to do is take them out, just like so. Your airbag is removed. Next, in order for us to get this off, we need to take off the steering wheel. So we'll take out this center bolt, pull this out, and there'll be some bolts behind it before the whole thing comes off. Alright, now all of this is in there because I don't know how to stop it. Oh crap! Oh, wait. So after you take off the steering wheel, guys, the best way to do it is to pull on it, but leave the bolt on so you can pull, and then it doesn't release itself and you smack yourself in the face. It's happened to one of our good friends before, so it was an L. That's incendious. But after that, the next step is to get this screw out the back. I already took one out here, and then this should come off so you can get to the screws behind the silver non-base model, whatever you want to call it, control knob thing, and then you'll be able to unscrew them and then plug that in, and that is plug and play, so we'll get to that as well. All right, so now that the steering wheel thing is all the way off, this back piecing that goes right here actually has 3 screws. There's going to be a screw located right here in the middle that we just took out. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's going to be located right here. You take that one out, and there's the ones that I showed you guys earlier that's right here and over here on this side, and this should come off. Once it comes off, the remaining screw you have is this and on this, and once we take these off, this silver plating will come off on both sides, and then we can add our new ones in. Alright, so now that everything's on, the screws are back on, we're going to put the back plate in, and then this goes on the steering wheel there, and then you have this thing right here you just plug in. It's pretty much like a ground. So we're just going to reset how we did everything in reverse and show you the end product. Alright, steering wheel's back together, put in place, everything's working. Put in the horn, put the battery back on and stuff. So next we're going under here to put on this. Now I've already put on the switches for this, one of them. But this switch goes pretty much under the clutch pedal. The second one that doesn't have this thing here that's metal, made out of metal threading, goes on the brake. It's really hard to get this camera under here, but this thing here, I can point at it, this right here, so it's gonna have a place where you plug it in. You're gonna twist it to the right, it'll lock it in place, and then you're just gonna take the wiring that they didn't include for the base model and plug right in as so. So you're just gonna push and it plugs in. That's it. Now this next one goes to the clutch, where you see that metal bolt right here. Right here, we're gonna have to take out, and then we're gonna tighten this on there. So whenever the clutch touches, it will activate or do whatever it needs to do. And in order for this guys to work, you're gonna have to get a tune where they modify the ECU for your cruise control and stuff like that. So I'm getting a tune soon. That's why I'm doing this now, because I'm gonna need these control buttons. All right, everything's done. That's over there situated. If you guys can see it, that's the new piece. What we had to take out is right here. It's a little bolt that I'm holding, and then that one as well. The switches are there. You just gotta cut the little tape that's like kind of holding them together, so it can get out, ease out the way from factory. But once you're done with that, you're done, and you just gotta get ready for your tune. Alright guys, thank you for watching the YouTube video. I just want to keep a reminder that keep strong, keep in your faith. God loves you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
This is a happy end, 'cause you don't understand everything you have done. Why is everything so wrong? This is a happy end. Come and